Good morning, you're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Divya Wadhwa. We have very tragic news coming in as far as the Hathras tragedy is concerned in Uttar Pradesh, a stampede that's caused many people to die, mostly women and children. Now, the death toll has risen to 121 people who had died during a stampede that took place at that religious gathering at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon on a Tuesday in Uttar Pradesh's Hathras. At least 106 are believed to be women. There were only 70 policemen who were deployed for a gathering in which 2.5 lakh people had shown up. FIR has been filed, but it does not mention the name of the Baba, the self-styled guru who had in fact organized that gathering. It is the organizers who have been accused and they have been accused for destroying of evidence. The FIR does not name the Bhole Baba, the so-called Bhole Baba, as an accused. Of course, as far as the arrangements go, they had permission for only 80,000 people, but 2.5 lakh people showed up for that satsang that was organized. And now the Uttar Pradesh's government has announced a compensation of 2 lakh rupees for the families of the dead and 50,000 for those who have been injured. That's what we heard the Chief Minister say. We have my colleague Vedant joining us from the site where that stampede took place yesterday. Vedant, very unfortunate incident that took place. The death toll has risen. The fear is that it could rise even further given the fact that people are still looking for some, who might be missing still. Take us through how small was the place. I mean, if you could just pan the camera, show how small it was. What are the kind of arrangements that were in place? From what we are hearing, from what the FIR states, is that the permission was only for 80,000 people. But, 2.5 lakh people turned up for that event. Was this something that the organizers knew of and they went ahead with the program? Couldn't they have not asked people to leave from the event? And were they not, couldn't they have stopped them at the gates itself?
That's right. Let me first show you visuals here of the forensic team which is currently at the spot. You have the state forensic unit as well as senior officials. In fact, the additional SP of the police has also just arrived here to take stock of the situation. It started to rain heavily here. It was raining yesterday as well, is what we've been told, which is why the crowd surge and the crowd sort of went out of control in the sense that many of them slipped and then the bodies started piling atop each other. That is what happened yesterday, and it's raining heavily even now as well. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is expected to visit the site as well at about 11 a.m. is what we are being told. He'll first visit the injured and the families of the victims. In fact, if I can ask my camera person to pan around and show you the actual event. Now remember, that is where the stage was set for the Baba, and there's this road that you see. Across the road was where the main event was being held, and this entire road was completely blocked given the fact that there were close to 2.5 lakh people that showed up for this event. The police had anticipated that only 75 to 80,000 people will come here. But here as well, you have senior police officials at the spot here as well, taking stock of the situation. The morning after, there's an eerie silence here. And across the road, there you can see, you were talking about, how the ground was not sort of fit enough or large enough to accommodate the crowds. And there you can see there was only one exit point essentially that the entire crowd used, given the fact that we are being told that the moment the Baba exited from that part of the road, the moment the Baba exited, crowds rushed towards him. Crowds wanted to catch a glimpse of him. Many of them bowed down as well, tried to collect, his pair ki dhool, as it were. And then what happened, and that resulted into a stampede. In fact, here as well, if I can ask my camera person to show you, footwear lying around, pieces of jewelry lying around, pieces of clothing lying around here as well, because most of them, remember, were women and children among his devotees. In fact, we tried to speak to some of the organizers as well. I just spoke to one of the main organizers, and he said that, there was no support from the local administration, there was no support from the local police. In the FIR, though, the blame has been put entirely on the organizers. In fact, a lot of eyewitnesses that we spoke to, they said that there was no support as far as the organizers were concerned. They were blocked from taking the other exit as well. And they also say that the local police, meanwhile, was busy looking after the traffic situation there. But here, as you can see, these visuals, live visuals that we bring to you from the spot of the forensic team taking evidence. This is going to be crucial evidence as far as the entire probe, the investigation is concerned. The forensic unit has been here all morning. Senior police officials as well, because remember, questions over administrative preparedness being raised for, and this is a ditch, remember Divya, this is important because many of the men and women who died actually fell into this sort of ditch because of the crowd going completely out of control. And it was because of that the stampede actually happened. Many of the bodies were recovered from this very space. In fact, it's a crime scene now, as you can see, and the media, of course, is not being allowed to cross beyond this point. And the police, of course, collecting crucial evidence, the forensic team there. Still, there you can see how pieces of clothing still being found here lying around, and they're taking all of this because the probe report has to be submitted within 2 days. A 2-member probe panel has been found. Remember, this has been formed, including the senior police official from Agra, as well as senior police official from Aligarh. We'll continue to get all those details from the ground, but my colleagues Ranveer and Ravish report from Lucknow and Mainpuri, because remember, there are multiple aspects as far as this investigation is concerned, including the fact that the Baba is still missing. Who really takes moral responsibility? That is the question. Take a look at these reports.
Hathras, they are probing with two angles. One, the role of the organizers and the role of the local administration. Both will be inquired, both will be inspected, because if the local administration has given permission for a gathering of 80,000, then what were the arrangement by the local administration? So organizers along with local administrations both are in the fray, are in the angle of the probe, and the senior officials will give their report, and they'll tell that what were the role of the local administration and the organizers. So probably by afternoon today, the ADG Agra and Divisional Commissioner Aligarh will file their report to the Chief Minister's office, and CM obviously Yogi Adityanath will be in Hathras only, and he'll also ask the officials present there that what were the reasons. So today is the most important day because police is searching for the Baba, who is said to be in Mainpuri, but the local police is claiming that Baba is not there. So where is Baba? This is a big question. And who were responsible for the tragedy in Hathras, which is a region behind deaths of 116 devotees of the so-called self-made godman Baba Narayan Hari Sakar. So there are so many questions, and Yogi Adityanath will ask these questions to the senior officials present in Hathras, and the report will be filed by the ADG Agra and Divisional Commissioner Aligarh to the Chief Minister's office, and the further actions will be decided on the basis of this report.
अच्छा, आप जब हुई घटना तब वहाँ पर थे, क्या कुछ हुआ था?
सर बाबा आए थे और आधे घंटा वचन दिए, जैसी बाबा गए जैसी पब्लिक छूटी और का एक के ऊपर एक गिरते रहे और का सांस लौट के नहीं आए।
अच्छा, आप बताइए क्या हुआ था?
जैसे ही सत्संग हो रहा था यहाँ, बाबा सब देख रहे थे, वैसे जी पीछे चो भागे बाबा, बाबा के पीछे चो भागे। इनका ये है कि बाबा के पीछे नहीं, इनको भागना नहीं था जी, कि बाबा के पीछे भागे हैं, न्यू नहरे हैं तैसे ही गिरते गए हैं कि छोरी थे पैर रपटे थे गए, एक गिरता गया है, ये दबते गए, उनकी सांस लौट गई, तो सांस चली गई उनकी। गर्मी बहुत पड़ रही थी, सब उनका चक्कर से आ रहे थे, हम सबन को आ रहे थे, एक को नहीं। बच्चे, इनकी गलती ये भी थी है कि बच्चों को लेके नहीं आना चाहिए, बच्चों को लेके नहीं आना चाहिए, छोटे छोटे बच्चों को लेके आ रहे हैं, बताओ ये इनकी गलती ये, बच्चों को लेके नहीं आना चाहिए, आना चाहिए खिलाना चाहिए, और ऐसे नहीं, मतलब बाबा के पीछे नहीं भाग जाना चाहिए।
All right, so of course we've also accessed the FIR in this particular case. Various charges have been invoked, including of course culpable homicide. But the most shocking aspect of this FIR certainly is the fact that Bhole Baba has not been named in the FIR. The man for whom over 2.5 lakh people turned up for this particular congregation. A lot of superstition involved around this as well, but he has not been named in the FIR, almost sort of giving him some sort of a clean sheet. though of course the police teams are searching for the Baba. Remember what we are being told on the ground here by eyewitnesses that he held another similar congregation back in 2012 as well. So it was the same ground where that congregation was held earlier as well. And there you can see the senior police officials arriving here at the spot as well. The additional the additional SP, I beg your pardon, has also just arrived here. So police deployment being increased ahead of the Chief Minister's visit.